Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to run TikTok ads. Alright, it's very easy. Now this is actually the part 1 of this tutorial. I'm still going to make a part 2 of this tutorial explaining everything in details. So I'm just going to introduce um, everything to you in this video. Then the next part I'm going to explain how you can do it in details. Now if you want to create TikTok ads advertising your business or whatever you want to showcase to everyone on the TikTok app, it's very easy. Now, but if you on the TikTok app, once you're in your profile and you click on the three lines at the top right corner, go to settings and privacy, you won't find any way to actually create your ads here on the settings and privacy, though there's this ads option right here. But once you click on that, you only get the advertiser settings, which helps you to hide the ads from advertiser who has recently shown you ads on TikTok. And you can also see your ads activity. You can share feedback on ads you engage with or purchase. Alright, but this is not what you want. You actually want to run an ad on the TikTok app showcasing your business or whatever you are doing. Alright, now if you want to do that, like I said, this is some kind of an introduction to this topic. I'm still going to make a part 2 showing you everything in details, like I said. Now you have to head to a browser. For example, I'm going to go to my Chrome browser and visit tiktok.com. Yeah, tiktok.com/business. Right, then click on go. Sorry about that. Now once you click on that, once you visit the website, here you can see this is TikTok for Business site, and this site helps you create ads that can entertain, campaign that can connect, as you can see right here. So yeah, this site helps you to create your ads. So before you can create your ads, you have to click on the create now button, then you sign up for an account, and then you can be able to create your ads. Right, so yeah, so this is actually what we're going to end in this part of this video. So you have to visit the site before the whole process is going to start. So I'm going to end here. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create a campaign, add payment methods to your ads, and also show you how you can promote your ads on the TikTok app. All right, so if you want to get the part 2 of this video, do well to subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out on that video. Right, but I have other videos on the TikTok about the TikTok topic. I've made series of videos showing you how to use the TikTok app, explaining everything about the TikTok app. So if you are facing any other problem on the TikTok app, you can check out this playlist right here at the end of this video to get more useful tips on how you can use the TikTok app. For now, I'm going to say bye, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.